Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to bring you along as I make some chicken wings on my Blackstone Griddle. Now, a couple of YouTubers that I watched has actually done chicken wings. So I've only watched those two, but I'm going to say who they are and put links down below so you can go visit them. It was the Gallery Backyard Barbecue and Cooking with James. They both did chicken wings on their griddle, so I thought, hey, I'll give it a shot too, see how it works. So I have my griddle heating up till it's very, very hot. And so it's almost there. Once it gets there, I'll bring you back. Alright, my griddle's heated up real good, and I've turned it down to medium. And I'm going to use this side of my griddle for that. Over here, when everything gets done, I have some potato skins that I've made, and I'm just going to heat them up on the griddle, let the cheese melt. Why heat up the oven? So we'll try that. I am going to add a little bit of oil. Looks like a lot, but this comes out very little. Now you can season up your chicken wings ever how you like. I have mine seasoned up. But I'm going to do mine with barbecue sauce. So I'm just going to evenly spread them out. I am going to cover mine with my lid. It probably won't fit to cover the whole thing. But to kind of give it a little bit of an oven action going on. And I'll bring you back when I go to turn them. And I will be turning them frequently. Alright, I'm going to see if they're ready to turn. Nope. I want them to get a little brown before I turn them the first time. So, I'll bring you back. Let me check this flat right here. Oh, well, yeah, I guess they are because that one is. So, yeah, I'll go ahead and turn them. But the reason why I cut my heat down to medium, because I do want to make sure these cook through. Alright, I'm going to cover them back up. Okay, now I'll bring you back just whenever I go to flip them again. I just want to make sure they're good and done. And got some good color on them. And the reason why they're sticking a little is all that seasoning. And I did put a little dry ranch mix on there. And that's kind of sticky. But it'll still be good. Now my favorite way to do chicken wings is still in my air fryer, but I did just want to try it out here. If we ever go tailgating. Okay, my chicken wings are just about to that point where they're done enough to start putting the sauce on them. But on this side of the grill, I have it cut down real low. And I'm just going to put my potato skins on there. Let them heat up and finish melting the cheese. It's October the 8th, and we're still kind of hot down here in the south. So, cheese just about melted on its own. And I don't mind if it crisps up a little bit on the bottom. This will only take a couple of minutes for that cheese to melt for them to heat back up. I just wanted to show you, and you'll see it on the plate at the end. Okay, I gave my wings one last little flip. It's ready to put the sauce on them. Now, you can take them up when they get done and sauce them, you know, on the inside and then eat them. I like my sauce kind of cooked into my wings. So normally my family likes the hot wings. The hotter the better, the spicier the better. And I like the Carolina barbecue sauce. But I'm tired. Been busy 3 weeks. So they're going to get what they get, and they're not going to pitch fit. And we're just going to do barbecue sauce because I got to take my son tomorrow in to schedule his surgery. We got paperwork and all to fill out. And I'm tired. So I'll bring you back in just a minute. Okay, now I'm just going to pour some sauce on there and toss them around. Alright, I'm just going to let that cook in just for a minute or two, and I will meet you inside, and we'll try some. Okay, it's time for me to try them. The potatoes did wonderful. I just cut that side of the grill down to low. You can see the bottom of them. Ooh, they're still hot. I got my ranch. So now it's time for me to try a bite for you. They're really good. I really like them. So now, hey, you want to go tailgating and make some chicken wings? You got a griddle, cook them on your griddle. But anyway, all that sticky stuff and barbecue sauce and all that was on my griddle. All I did was took my spatula and every bit of it just with one pass scraped right on up. So it was very easy to clean. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. I'll have the links of the other 2 channels that made these, so you can go check them out. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.